Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To manage downloads in Microsoft Edge in Windows 11, click the Settings and More button at the right end of the toolbar at the top of the Microsoft Edge window. Then select the Downloads command in the drop-down menu to show the Downloads pane below the address bar. If desired, to pin the Downloads pane open until you close it, click the Pin Downloads button in the upper right corner of the Downloads pane. Otherwise, this pane will close when you click away from it. To unpin the Downloads pane if you pin it open, click the Unpin Downloads button in the toolbar at the top of the Downloads pane. To close the Downloads pane if you pin it open, click the Close Downloads button, which looks like an X and which appears at the right end of the Downloads pane's toolbar when it is pinned. The items you have downloaded from the internet using Microsoft Edge appear in the Downloads pane in chronological order by the date and time you downloaded them. By default, Microsoft Edge downloads these files to your Downloads folder in File Explorer in Windows 11. The most recently downloaded items appear at the top of the pane. Items appearing with a strike-through have been moved or deleted from the Downloads folder in Windows 11. To view your downloaded items from Microsoft Edge within the Downloads folder of File Explorer in Windows 11, click the Open Downloads Folder button in the toolbar of the Downloads pane. To open a downloaded file from the Downloads pane in Microsoft Edge, click the Open File link for the desired downloaded file in the Downloads pane to open. To show the file in the Downloads folder of File Explorer in Windows 11, hover over the file in the Downloads pane, and then click the Show in Folder button that appears towards its right end to select the file within the Downloads folder of File Explorer that then opens. To delete a downloaded file from the Downloads pane in Microsoft Edge, which bypasses the Windows Recycle bin and immediately deletes the downloaded file, hover over the file to delete from the Downloads pane, and then click the Delete File button that appears at its right end. Windows 11 then immediately deletes the downloaded file, and the file appears with a strike-through in the Downloads pane, and its status shows Removed. To remove items from the Downloads pane in Microsoft Edge, which only removes the item from the Downloads pane but does not delete it, right-click the item to remove from the Downloads pane, and then select the Remove from List command in the pop-up menu that appears. It is helpful to remove items from the Downloads pane that have been deleted in Windows 11 and show the removed status and appear with a strike-through in the Downloads pane so they don't clutter up the Downloads pane. Alternatively, to remove all items from the Downloads pane in Microsoft Edge, which only removes them from the Downloads pane and doesn't delete them from your device, click the More Options button in the toolbar at the top of the Downloads pane. Then select the Clear All Download History command from the drop-down menu. You must then click the Remove All button in the confirmation message box that opens to confirm their removal.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.